Good evening, class. Tonight we are adding and subtracting rationals in real life. We are going to go ahead and get out our notes and get ready to go. So we see rational numbers. Oh, sorry, guys. You can't see it, but a whole bunch of screens just popped up on my computer. We see rational numbers frequently in real life. Where do you guys think we see them? So we're going to think through the situation, then follow the rules for adding and subtracting rational numbers, which are the same rules as adding and subtracting integers. Draw a number line or create a model to help. So we're going to brainstorm some positive words and negative terms that could mean rational numbers. So some things I think about positive terms is, I don't know, deposit. I like it when checks get deposited in my account. Receive, revenue, income, salary, all these things, positive, makes me very happy. Profit, increase, gain, oh, wonderful words. Credit, all that. Positive things. Negative terms, not so nice. I owe money. I have debt. Decrease. Deficit. This is an R. Decrease. Loss. Loan. All these are bad, sad words to me. Below. Deduct. Ugh. Don't tell me you're deducting money from my account. Under. Descending. Opposite to that would be ascending. So these are just some words that I can quickly think of that are positive or negative terms. And these terms will help us determine what we're doing with problems. So make sure that you have these written down and list any more that you can think of. We'll talk about this in class tomorrow. Okay, so first problem. During a drought, the local lake was 2¼ feet below normal level. 2 weeks later, the water had dropped an additional 1�3/8 feet. How far below normal level was the water after 2 weeks? Oh man, I don't know. You guys were probably pretty young, but I remember when we had drought here, and those lake levels were getting mighty low. So I know that the lake level dropped 2¼ feet. And then it dropped another 1�3/8 feet. What do I need to know? How much did the water level change? Okay, so we're going to show our plan and our work. I know that dropped is a negative term, so I dropped 2¼ feet, and then I additionally dropped another 1�3/8 feet. Okay, I do not have like denominators, so the very first thing I need to do is find my LCD between 4 and 8. So I have an LCD between 4 and 8, and that is the number 8. What do I do to 4 to get to 8? I multiply by 2. So I have -2 and 2/8 plus a -1�3/8. Got to use a little bit of Texas method here because we need to be able to do this. So I have -16 plus 2 is -18/8 plus a -11/8. They are the same sign, correct? So what do I need to do? I need to add them and keep the sign. This gives me -19/8. Oh, sorry, -29/8. Yeah, I can do math. It's fine. It's late, guys. 8 goes into 29 3 whole times with a remainder of 5/8. Remember that we have to keep our signs, so my solution is -3 and 5/8 feet. It dropped That's why we have the negative 3 5/8 feet. Okay, let's take a look at the next problem. Jonathan borrowed $800 from his grandparents to start a lawn mowing business in his neighborhood. After mowing lawns for a month and paying expenses, he was able to pay them $188.56. How much does Jonathan still owe his grandparents? Well, I know he borrowed $800. And then he paid back $188.56. I need to know, how much does he owe? So my plan of work, what am I going to do? Well, he started out with $800 borrowed, right? And he paid back. So he borrowed $800 and he paid back $165.44. Oh, sorry. He paid back. I might be reading answers while I'm doing this. Y'all love me, right? Okay. He paid back, try this again, $188.56. That's not even the right answer. So it's fine. So these are opposite signs. So I am going to subtract 800 minus 188.56. And I'm going to do some math magic and borrowing, stuff like that. I get a 4. I get a 4. My decimal point, a 1, a 1. He owes $611.44. And I won't put a negative here, even though, yes, owes does mean negative, just because he has a negative balance, but he owes his grandparents that money. So it's kind of a little bit different. Okay, last problem. Okay, on Monday, Melody checks her bank balance and has $437.23. She knows she's going to get paid on Friday and earn $236.12. She pays her bill, which amounts to $582.96. What will Melody's bank balance be after she pays her bill and she gets her paycheck? So I know her balance, which is $437.23. I know her paycheck is $236.12. I know she's going to pay a bill, and that is $582.96. I need to know her bank balance when she's done. So first thing I need to do is I'm going to look at this and I'm going to realize that these two are positive terms. So these guys, these are the happy numbers, are positive. So we are going to add them and we are going to get $673.35. Whew, my math is correct. Now she's going to pay a bill. Paying a bill is not a happy thing. So she's going to pay $582.96. Going to do a little bit of math magic so we can do some borrowing here. I get a 9, a 3, a 0, more math magic, and a 9. Wow. See, I told you it wasn't a happy thing. She's got all that money. She pays a bill, and she only has a bank balance of $90.39. This chica is staying home this weekend because she ain't got no money to go now. She ain't got no McDonald's money. She eating at home. Okay, you guys have a fabulous night. I'll see you in school tomorrow.